You've seen me talk about these 50 practice sessions, and if you're in the 6-month mentoring, what is that? Is that as intimidating as it sounds? Who do you work with for practice session? I'm an accredited master trainer, so the requirement to be a practitioner is to do 50 practice sessions. But it's not as intimidating as it sounds, even though some of you do far more than 50, and some of you 50 seems like a lot. But let's break it down. There's 40 sessions where you are the client. You are the practitioner. There's 10 sessions where you are the client. So really there's 40 times. So 40 hours out of 6 months. Don't make me do the math. You are being the practitioner. What does that mean? Who are you working with? You can work with fellow people in our group, connect with them on WhatsApp, connect with them in the practice pods we facilitate to make it easy for you. It could be your sister, it could be your mother-in-law, it could be a colleague, it could be a co-teacher, it could be a fellow coach you share an office with, it could be people who find you on Facebook because of us, it could be your current clients. I have a lot of people who are doctors, who are coaches, who are estheticians, who are massage therapists, who are chiropractors. Ask your current clients if they're willing to be a practice client. Anyone who will tap with you using your new advanced skills, who's down, who can be with you for at least 45 minutes so it simulates a real session and that real issues and real questions come up that you can bring to me and get more clarity and confidence, that is your practice session. So it's 40, it's about 2 sessions a week. So 2 hours a week, you're going to block off and you're going to get someone to tap with you, whether it's me, an assistant, a client, you're going to work with them. And then once or twice a month, you're going to make sure you're the client, that you're receiving, that you're saying, who wants to tap with me? You can hire someone to tap with you, or you can get a fellow master level practitioner candidate to tap with you. I won't require that you pay me to tap with you. I actually don't even do that. I want you seeing and learning from many people's styles. And most people swap between each other, and some have a favorite practitioner they hire.